Good afternoon, everyone. This is Devjani Mitra, founder and MD of iGlam.
In India, we don't just celebrate success, we claim the ownership over it. And when a public figure, personal life enters a public space, opinion arrives faster than facts. Mary Kom, 6-time world champion, global icon, Olympic medalist. Yes, I'm talking about her today. Has inspired millions through her strength, sacrifice, and discipline. But today's conversation is not about the medals, it's about marriage, privacy, and judgment. It's not a trial, it's not even gossip. This is a conversation about how society reacts when a woman's personal life becomes public debate. Welcome to iGlam Talks, where voices wear crown. Marriage controversy around Mary Kom has triggered assumptions, speculations, and narratives. But let's pause here. Much of what speculations are surrounding everywhere, much of what circulates online in interpretations, not confirmation, opinion, not evidence, noise, and not nuance. And this brings us to an important question. Do we respect facts anymore, or do we react to rumors? The important part is that when clarity is missing, imagination fills the gap. Public figures and the loss of private space. Let's talk about it. Fame becomes with visibility. When you become famous, people want to know everything about you. But should it come with entitlement? Is it really needed? Do medals mean surrounding personal boundaries? In India, successful women are often expected to be ideal professionals, ideal wife, ideal mothers, ideal role model at all the times. They don't have any kind of a curtain in their life. Everything is visible. Any deviation becomes a controversy for them. Reflective, and it reflects in everybody's face. How can a woman do this? But marriage is not a performance. Marriage is very private. Relationships are not a public property. We are no one to talk about their private life. We are no one to make a mockery of their decisions. Pause. Now I have, already thought of saying this: double standards in marriage judgment. Let's be very honest. When a male athletes face marital issues or any problem, they focus on the performance of that particular athletic. When women do, their character is questioned. Why? Because society still measures women by their personal choices more than their professional legacy. Don't you think this is too harsh for us? Don't you think this is not a judgment? A man's career is his identity. A woman's marriage becomes her verdict. Think about it. Let's talk about Mary Kom as a woman before an icon. Before being an icon, Mary Kom is a woman. We have to accept it. A partner, a mother, and definitely a human being. She has fought inside boxing rings, but some battle happens outside silently, which now we have come to know because she decided to speak about it without any filter. She has spoken about the dark reality, what she was going through. And those battles don't come with reference. Strength doesn't mean absence of struggle. It means surviving it without any explanation. Always say to every woman, we need an explanation, but we choose not to explain it. So now let's talk about the social media, rumors and responsibility. Don't you think social media has a positive and definitely has a very negative side about it? Social media thrives on speculation. A headline becomes a verdict, a rumor becomes a hashtag, and silence becomes a guilt. But silence can also mean dignity. Not every truth owes the internet explanation. Audience, I want to ask you, if your marriage faced difficulty, would you want empathy or endless analysis? Watching the video of Mary Kom, we started talking about her as a villain. She has spoken the truth. We have seen her life through a Bollywood movie which is not 100% true. It was based on what she was narrated during that time. Supporting husband does not mean that wife is not supportive. As I always said, handling an ambitious woman is tougher job than anything else. And here is the question, why every time a female athletic has to has to face the judgment, the trial, the bad words of the society versus invasion? Yes, public figures must be accountable because many people get inspired by their life for actions that affects in public. But marriages or anybody's marriage is not governance. You have no authority to talk about it, okay? Relationships are not policies. There is a thin line and cruelty, and we cross it far too easily. In her case, we cross all the boundaries to making her a hero, to a villain or a devil. Respecting privacy is not support for wrongdoings. It's respect for humanity. Think about it. What controversy teaches us? The moment is not just about Mary Kom. It can happen to any other celebrity or the people who inspired entire world, our country. It's about us. How quickly we judge, how eagerly we speculate, how rarely we pause. It asks us, can we admire strength without controlling personal choices? We have seen the interview of her in a very renowned channel a few days back, and she spoke the truth what she has faced. And when we got the answer of her husband, it was so mean and so emotionless that we all thought being a very sympathetic can win hearts. Sorry, it's not that. We know Mary Kom as a strong woman, as a pillar of her family, running her family, winning gold for our country, 6-time world champion, world icon. When she is talking something loudly and clearly, just think about the kind of a pain she has gone through. To accept a woman when complains about her weak partner so loudly, so bluntly, without any filter, then and there she becomes a villain. If a female fall in an extramarital affair, we talk about her character. What about a male when he falls apart or he is doing something wrong? Why don't we talk about it? Why it is the only thing that always female has to, prove their self, that I am the lady epitome of all the culture has been taught since our childhood. This is the upbringing which we all have got. That female means she has this parameter she has to follow. Here we break the rules. But when she won the world champion, that was also when she broke the rule and she proved the world a woman can do it. stay you. Mary Com's legacy was built with discipline, pain, and perseverance. Accept it, respect it. Controversy, no controversy can erase that. No controversy, whether it's about her marriage or something else, never ever it will be erased. Marriage may change. She has the full right to change her partner for whatever was unhappy moment she had in her marriage. May evolve. But contribution will always remain. Let's learn to separate the things. Let's learn to give the space. Let's learn to separate achievement from the assumption, truth from noise, and concern from intrusion. Real progress, the progressive people, the growth mindset people will always say this: it's not just about empowering a woman, it's about letting them live. Let them live the way they want to live. This is iGlam Talks, where I always chase to understand the facts. That is why I always say, wear voices, wear crown.